All new at 4, we're getting more insight into the emergency medical service that the Fort Worth Fire Department will be handling. It's a transition from EMS provider MedStar that's been in the works for more than a year. Our Caroline Vandergrift looks at the impact it will have when you make that call for help.
The name may still be on the building, but in less than a week, MedStar will cease to exist. Instead, the Fort Worth Fire Department will take over EMS services for Fort Worth and 14 other cities. The goal is that the transition won't even be noticeable, except if there are improvements to service and response time.
After months of incredible hard work and collaboration by dozens and dozens of people, many of which are here today, the city of Fort Worth does begin a new chapter in high-quality emergency services and patient-centered care.
More than 600 MedStar employees will now work for the Fort Worth Fire Department. It's a common model for ambulance services.
The majority of major cities across the United States the EMS system is embedded into the fire department.
MedStar has been serving Fort Worth and other parts of Tarrant County for more than 30 years. But the funding approach became unsustainable.
Insurance costs went up, salaries went up, the operational expenses went up. You know, MedStar under that model just could not keep up with it. So that's what started this conversation.
Ahead of the transition,
911, what's the address of the emergency?
MedStar and Fire Dispatch merged about 3 weeks ago.
For years, we were on different radio systems, different dispatch systems. Our crews were working together on the street, but they were having to go through their individual organizations in order to communicate.
Fire Chief Jim Davis says they're already seeing benefits of the new consolidated communication system. Studies estimate it could improve response time by as much as 5.5 minutes. And saving time saves lives.
If you can get an ambulance on scene 5.5 minutes quicker, you know, that could be the difference between life and death from somebody having a heart attack.
Ambulances will continue to be strategically placed throughout the city, but will now have access to firehouses. The transition officially takes place next Tuesday, July 1st. In Fort Worth, I'm Caroline Vandergrift, CBS News, Texas.